Welcome one and all to this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, you will know how to change the login password of your user account.
But before I continue with the video, let me tell you that you can purchase our dedicated server by following the process given in the tutorial video. The link is given in the description. Now back to the video.
This video will show you changing the login password of account with root and super user privileges. Then you will learn how to change the password of your user account too. Before proceeding, you need to know why changing the login password of your Ubuntu Dedicated Server system is necessary. First reason is security. Changing the login password reduces the risk of password based attacks like brute force and dictionary attacks. Second reason, a password authenticates users and stops unauthorized access to sensitive data. Thirdly, it ensures that only authorized users can perform critical tasks. This is where root and super user privileges come in handy. So, managing passwords for root and super user privileges ensures that only authorized users can perform critical administrative tasks. So, I hope these reasons have given you the idea why you need to change login password of your Ubuntu Dedicated Server system. Now, let's get into how you can change the login password of your Ubuntu Dedicated Server system. First, log into your Ubuntu Dedicated Server system, which I have done already. Now, if you have root privileges, simply give the command password, which goes like this: PASSWD, and then press enter. Then it will ask you for the new password that you want to set. So give the password. Here, the password remains invisible to keep your login protected. This is one crucial feature of this CLI window. Press enter. Then in the next command, it will ask you to retype your new password. So go ahead and perform it. And press enter once you're done. In the next prompt, as you can see here, it will inform you that your password has been updated successfully. And that's how it's done. Now, if you don't provide a password and simply leaves them blank by pressing enter, this will ask you to provide a password and it will show you this that no password has been supplied. So let me show you an example. If I put the command, same command, PASSWD, press enter. New password, I press enter, giving nothing. And in retype new password, I also press enter, giving nothing. Then it will show you this status: no password has been supplied, because changing the login password needs a login password. So you have to provide a password. Now that I have provided the passwords in both of these commands, it is showing me that the password has been updated successfully. Now, if you have the super user privileges, all you have to do is give the command sudo space password passwd and then press enter. Similarly, it will ask you for the new password. Type the new password. Press enter. In the next command, it will ask you to retype the new password. Retype the new password and then press enter. In the next CLI prompt, will show you the similar status of the password having been updated successfully.